Hello, this is an unboxing of a D-Link 8-port Gigabit. It's a DGS-1008G model. See that right there? I just purchased this today from Micro Center. It's on sale for $34.99, which is a pretty good deal. So it's just a basic unboxing. See, the packaging here is already opened up, just to make it a little easier since I'm holding the camera with one hand. So inside here you have a quick install guide. Pretty straightforward. Just kind of lists the contents you should have in there. So you should have the switch, basic wall mounting kit if you so choose to use that, and a power adapter. Nice thing about this is it does have a lifetime warranty on it in case there's any hardware issues. Basic little mini 8-port switch. Go ahead and open that up. Pretty basic and straightforward. Looks like the wall mounts. This kind of style here where they're kind of put some screws on the wall and just kind of hook it on there if that's something that you're looking for. It's pretty straightforward. And it looks like wall mount anchors and screws and power adapter. Pretty basic. Thanks for watching.